The next thing that we need is the edit details. If I click on edit, right now nothing happens because we need to update a lot of stuff. And we're going to do the same thing like we did for add job model. So we're just going to get back to our code and we'll collapse this. And you can see that we have employee details. So what we're going to do is we're going to just change this. I'm going to change that to job detail model. Okay, so let's save that. And if you open this up, you can see that we have a table which is showing up like a lot of details. So first thing, I'm going to change that to job, save that. Let's see how that looks. If I click on details, okay, so nothing happened because we need to change the ID. So there's going to be job detail. Okay, save that. Let's get back over here. Let's click on details now. Okay, so now we can see this. So we just need the job name, the ID, and the date. Let's close that. Let's get back to the code. And here we'll keep the ID, and here we'll set the date. Okay, and we'll set this date to 25th July, and we'll set that to 2025. Save that, or 2022. Okay, and we want the job name, and the job name is graphic designer. Okay, so we don't need the last name, employee, and all of the details. So we'll get rid of all those details here. So we do need the footer, so we'll keep the footer. So we'll call this as edit details and this thing. So instead of employee edit, we'll call this as job edit. That's it. So if you get back here, if we click on details, you can see that we have the job details here. If I click on edit, right now this is going to happen. That's because we still don't have the edit model. So we're going to create that in the next class.